Python. Hello world. Yeah. So for now we can move forward. Finally, as we can say printer, we have written program. In other way, we can say print hello world. The very first program in that print is space for the new line. Like we want to space in between, like this clearly hello world comment to see the output base. Then on top also we want to add some more black selection for clear output. So place the run command. Yeah, so we can see it in good way, and we must be getting the good output here. So that's all for today. Have a great day.